Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Knott with Disability Resolution PA. Let's go into question 32. Does the child need help with when it is time to go to bed? And these are out of the top 50 questions most likely to be experienced during a Social Security disability hearing before an administrative law judge. Here we go. Question 32. Does the child need help with when it is time to go to bed? So does the child fight you with when they, have to go to bed? Do they do a bunch of things to try and stop going to bed? Are they always staying up for an extended period? Do they have nightmares? Are they fearful of what's under the bed? Do they get into their proper attire, clothing, before going to bed? Are they asking for things constantly before going to bed? Do they tend to, create problems before they have to go to bed? These are all things related to whether or not the child has difficulty with going to bed, and they're important for showing continuity of sleep cycle for the child. My name is Attorney Walter Knott, Disability Resolution PA. My apologies, I have an injury on the inside of my cheek. I will catch you a little bit later. It's from chewing food and then really late at night, bit it horribly and then bit it again because you know how that goes. Anyways, Attorney Walter Knott, Disability Resolution PA. Please like, subscribe, leave 5-star reviews, and I'll catch you later. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.